Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. 5 under 5 is back again, my dear friends. I'm going to talk to you about that a little later, but now let's go ahead and jump into our first project. I went to a garage sale several years ago and I purchased this pretty picture frame for $1. It has a lot of screws, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this back side here because I am going to be replacing the picture inside. Later on that same day, I went right back to the same garage sale and they had a whole bunch of free picture frames, so she gave me a big box and I think she gave me like 26 frames for free, and I was blessed by her. To this day I am still crafting out of those picture frames, but this one here I did pay $1. Look, so let's go ahead and clean this glass here with a little bit of Windex, and I'm gonna do that to both sides, front and back. I also have these little construction papers. I thought I was going to use the flower one, but I opted for this one with the little birds. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be cutting it to size and then putting one right by the other, making sure that the birds lined up. And look how nice this picture frame looks together with this pink construction paper. I really like it. This Happy Easter, I purchased it at Michael's Scrap Bag and it was marked for $6.99. But of course I did not pay $6.99 because several items were in the box. I paid pennies for this. So I went on and I started painting it with the chestnut color. Once it was all done, I realized that it did not go with the frame that I had in mind. I did also paint these flowers in white. So I came back with the moss color and I painted everything else except the white flowers, and then I thought it was a perfect match. And now all I have to do is just add plenty of hot glue back here and then place it right on top of this picture frame, and this will be it for this beautiful project. This is nice and simple, yet it makes a statement. I'm going to be putting this up on my wall. This is absolutely gorgeous. Leave me in the comment section your thoughts, and if you like it, don't forget that big thumbs up. And today's another open collaboration, 5 under 5, and it is being hosted by Emily Farm Charm Chic, and the guest host this month is Shannon's Craft DIYs. I'm gonna be leaving the links directly to their channel down in my description box, along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them lots of love by sharing, subscribing, and liking. And this month is spring and Easter decor. We must create 5 DIYs under $5. So let's go ahead and jump into our second project. For project number 2, I'm going to be using both of these frames. I am recycling them. This, I purchased it in a grab bag, this chalk paint. I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat to the entire border. I'll do that to both of them, and then I will also distress the inside. I also pay $1.25 for each frame. And these wall stickers also from Dollar Tree, I also pay $1.25. I'm going to remove 2 of these pink flowers and I'm going to be placing one on each frame. I'm also going to be adding a bowl on both of them, and as you know, I have moved, so I am going to be putting this in my new washroom. I think this duo looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts about this second project. I am really liking these colors. Some time ago, a tree fell and my friend went and sliced pieces of that same tree. And here is another one of these pieces. I've been crafting with these slices for a while. I'm going to be placing 3 of these bunnies inside this slice of wood, and then I'm gonna come in with some acrylic brown paint and I will be painting over those bunnies. I'll be using them as stencils. Now everything is dry, so I'll be removing these little bunny rabbits that were used as stencils. I'm gonna go ahead and retouch it only because it did not transfer perfect. And this candle holder, $1.25. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats with the same acrylic brown paint. Once that is dried, then I'm going to go ahead and come in with plenty of hot glue. And then I will be creating a little riser. I also want to remind you, don't forget to visit the playlist down below. It will be down in my description box for your convenience. Make sure to visit these talented creators and let them know that I sent you over. And for this project, of course, I spent less than $5. With plenty of hot glue, like I said before, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on this wood slice. And this will be it for this beautiful project. Let me know in the comment section what you think so far. And if you like it, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And for this project, I pay pennies. This is a recycled jar from a leftover candle that was completely burned. I'm gonna go ahead and use this pale yellow, and I'm gonna mix it with that white acrylic paint that was already there from a different project. So I'll be giving it 2 coats, and I feel that I was cheating because this was so easy and quick to make that I don't even think I should call this a project. But yes, I only pay pennies because actually, if you think about it, I already had the jar, and the flowers, I already had it from last year. And here it is. I'm adding some floral, and here is the final reveal. I hope you have enjoyed this simple project. And for our fifth and final project, I am going to be painting this wood box from Dollar Tree, and I'll be giving it one coat with white acrylic paint. So I'm adding plenty of hot glue, and then the box, I'm going to place it right on top. And then I'm going to come in with the same white acrylic paint, and I'm going to be highly distressing the window just to make sure that it's all uniformed. And thank you to all my amazing subscribers and those considering joining our community. Your support means the world. If you enjoyed today's projects, feel free to leave a comment, share, and give me that big thumbs up. For those not yet subscribed, I invite you to join our family by hitting that subscribe button and tuning on that notification bell button. I hope you had a fantastic time with this video. And once I was done painting and distressing this beautiful window with the box, I came in with some flowers that I had from last year, and I added some Spanish moss, and that was it for this beautiful project. And of course, I spent less than $5 on every single one of these 5 DIYs. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite, and this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around, and here is the final reveal.